Hi everybody, today I'm working on a BMW 135i and I noticed these brake calipers look a little familiar. So these are actually the same calipers that go on a 2013 Mini Cooper John Cooper Works GP. And you may be wondering, what's a GP? Well, I can show you. I've actually owned a GP. You might not be aware, it's a special limited edition track performance inspired Mini Cooper. I gotta walk over to the shop where I park it. They made 2,000 globally, 500 North America. Were made for North America. There's a they also had an original GP1 in 2006, so they're super rare cars. You hardly ever see them anywhere. They've got no back seat, the reduced weight. There's a little bit extra performance, better braking, no sunroof, things like that. But let me show you. I got mine in the shop here, special for Mini GP parking only. Open mini garage door.
Okay, the mini garage door is open.
Cool. So this is my collection. I've got a GP2 on the right here and a GP1 on the left. And yeah, check it out. So we got the same calipers here. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, I really like these cars. I got special license plate for them. You can see they're going up in value. So if you can find one, maybe find one. They're super rare. You never see them around. It's the weirdest thing. You never see them at all. Anyway, prank video. Yeah, they are rare, but they're not that rare. I got friends who the GP bug rubbed off. It's turned into like a GP
swarm, gaggle,
a GP swarm, a GP infection, a GP pandemic. Yeah, but basically I let my friends drive my GP too, and they ended up buying them. So we've been scouring the country to find them. I'm not joking though, these are my GPs back here. So I'll definitely introduce these in a future video. That's the main part of the video. Let me see if any of my friends want to talk about their cars or not. Who wants to share about their car?
Well, we'll first have to remember which one's mine.
Yeah, which is which? I don't even remember.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell from this angle. This one's here is mine because I just got it.
Yeah, this is the new acquisition.
I don't know really what else to say other than Kurt's right. You get a little bit of
Mod Mini. I'm not Kurt, I'm Mod Mini.
you get a little bit of action on these cars and you want one.
And what's this?
This is not a GP.
There's something here that doesn't look like a GP. Today, this is the most rare car in this general area.
Yep.
All right, so that's all for now. Like I said, I'll make a video to introduce these cars more. So for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.